Hi, I'm Angie Turner. I'm the VP of Supply, and I've been here since the beginning, 5.5 years. My job entails working with the operator side of the marketplace. We recruit all new users to the platform. We also handle all of the communication and engagement details. My team works closely with the market team, product team, and support teams. And then we handle all of the retention and get to create a lot of the fun stuff for the operators, like the benefit programs, affiliate marketplace, operators club, and currently working on the Veryable University. What I love about my job is the people. I have a passion for helping others. I'm satisfied knowing that the ripples we've created so far are going to last forever. The true heroes are the operators, the men and women using the app every day. I know we're not perfect, but I love that Veryable offers immediate work opportunities, quick pay, recognition, and most importantly, empowerment. That's why I do what I do.